Hello viewers, we'll be going over gold futures. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis. We're currently up 42 basis points on the 1 hour chart. We are now approaching to positive MACD after being negative since early this week, and we're off of oversold levels on the RSI. If we expand that to the 4 hour chart, we are starting to see signs of a converging on still a negative MACD, and we're off of oversold conditions on the 4 RSI. And the daily chart, what we have here is we have now just approached to negative MACD territory, and we have not quite hit oversold on the RSI yet. And at the moment, we found temporary support on the 100-day moving average, this orange line, at the price of $1,850. However, if that level does break, we may see the next possible support level being where we had past resistance, and since we're above resistance, that now act as our support at the price of $1,810. So at the moment, we may see temporary dead cat bounce, and the resistance to the upside, if we do manage to climb higher, will be around where we see the 9-day moving average, this blue line, and that coincides with past support levels. And since we're below support, that now act as our resistance to the upside, and that is around a price of $1,928. So for the trade idea of the week, I'll be trading GLD. So my position size is going to be less than 1% of my portfolio. My entry will be $168.95, which is this range right here, and that coincides with past resistance, and that will act as our long entry, and our sell target will be $178.60, and my stop loss will be $165.27. On the other hand, if I were to open a short position, my entry will be $180.63, which is this range there, and that coincides with past support levels and the 9-day moving average, this blue line. And my sell target for that will be $172.76, and my stop loss is $184.56. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, we have a 52% chance for gold futures to climb between 0 to 3.3%. And on the extreme case to the upside, we have a 13% chance to climb between 13% to climb between 3.3% to 6.7%. And to the downside, we have a 26% chance to fall between 0 to negative 3.3%. And further extreme case to the downside, a 9% chance to fall between negative 3.3% to negative 6.7%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.